What is transformer? A transformer is a device used in power transmission of electric energy. The transmission current is AC. It is commonly used to increasing or decreasing the supply voltage without change in the frequency of AC between circuit. The transformer works on the basic principle of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. Transformer types. Transformer are used in various fields like power generating grid, distribution sector, transmission and electric energy consumption. There are various types of transformer which are classified based on the following factor: working voltage range, the medium used in the core, winding arrangement, installation location. Based on the voltage level commonly used, transformer type depending upon the voltage are classified as following. Step up transformer. They are used between the power generator and the power grid. The secondary output voltage is higher than the input voltage. A step down transformer. These transformers are used to convert higher voltage primary supply to lower voltage secondary output. Working principle of transformer. The transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. There are usually two coils, primary coil and secondary coil. On the transformer core, the core lamination are joined in the form of strip. The two coils have high mutual induction. When an alternating current passing through the primary coil, it creates varying magnetic flux as per Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This change in magnetic flux induced electromotive force. In secondary coil, which linked to the core having a primary coil, this is a mutual induction. Overall, a transformer carries out of the following operation. Number 1. Transfer of electric energy from one circuit to another circuit. Transfer of electrical power through electromagnetic induction. Electric power transfer without any change in frequency. Two circuits are linked with mutual induction. The figure shows the formation of magnetic flux line around a current carrying wire. The normal of the plane containing the flux line is parallel to the normal of cross section of wire. The figure shows the formation of varying magnetic flux line around a wire wound. The interesting part is that the reverse is also true. When the magnetic line fluctuates around the piece of wire, a current will be induced in it. This was Faraday found in 1831, which is fundamental working principle of electric generator as well as transformer. Transformer efficiency. Comparing system output with input will confirm transformer efficiency. The system is called better when its efficiency is high.